Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about pomegranates, and I have a list of specific food and flavoring combinations that are known to go well with pomegranates. So if you're looking for something a little different to do and you need some specific combinations, hopefully this will help you out. Combine pomegranates with apples, butternut squash, and walnuts. That really sounds good to me. How about pomegranates with arugula and endive? Pomegranates with balsamic vinegar, pine nuts, and spinach. Pomegranates with bell peppers, chilies, cumin, lemon, and walnuts. Pomegranates with cucumber, garlic, and mint. Pomegranates with goat cheese, orange, and walnuts. Pomegranate with grapefruits, salad greens, and red onions. Pomegranates with lemon and sugar. Pomegranates with orange and grapefruit. I do hope this helps you out. Bye for now.